right, those were 2 bags of my shredded chicken in my soup pot. Next, I'm coming in with 1 pack of bacon that I cooked and chopped right in there with our chicken. I have a bag of mild cheddar cheese that we're gonna sprinkle in there. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious winter meal. Add 1 block of cream cheese right in there. And then for seasoning, we're gonna use the one and only ranch seasoning. And we are gonna add equivalent to 1 packet of ranch seasoning inside our delicious meal. But you can season this however you like. For liquids, we're gonna add 3 cups of our chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth if you prefer, or you can use chicken stock. You can use the less sodium, but we're just going to get that right in there with our chicken, our bacon, our cheese, and our cream cheese. I absolutely love making this because it is so cozy, so easy. It is a crowd pleaser. I think I'm actually gonna use this whole thing. So we're actually doing 4 cups of our broth. So not 3, but 4. Beautiful. Last thing we're adding to this is just 1 cup of water. All right, and that is ready. Before we give this a mix, we're just gonna put the lid on and let everything get nice and softened and leave this on medium heat. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Ooh, it looks so good. That cheese is starting to melt. Let's go ahead and mix this up. That cream cheese has started to soften. We are gonna turn up this heat a little bit just so that we can get that cream cheese fully melted, that cheese fully melted. Let's get all that yummy crispy parts into our delicious crack chicken soup. Oh, all right, we're gonna let this keep on cooking, but we have a lot more deliciousness on the way. So let's go ahead and get this ready for it. All right, it's been another 10 minutes and this looks ready. It's starting to simmer. We can turn off our heat and we can bring this over to our counter. All right, we have our cracked chicken soup here, and I set up my little ramekins here. I'm just gonna take these lids off and grab our ladle, and we are gonna ladle our soup into our ramekins. Oh, look at all of that chicken. This is gonna be delicious. All right, make sure to fill these all the way up. All right, we're gonna move these to the side, and now we're gonna add our special addition. I have a bowl and a spoon here, and some Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. Yep, you heard that right. We are making some Cheddar Bay biscuit dough to add to our delicious crack chicken soup. Oh my goodness, this is really gonna elevate this. So we're just gonna follow the boxed instructions. We're gonna add our cheese and then our cold water, which is just 3/4 cup of cold water. It's that simple, no eggs, no oil. And then let's give this a mix. All right, and this is already ready to be our soup topper. Yep, we're kind of making a cobbler with this. So we are going to add our dough right on top, best we can. It's almost like gonna be like little dumplings in our soup. If you guys know what I'm talking about. Yes, and my hands are clean, don't worry, but you can use gloves if your family is worried about that kind of stuff. But my family knows that I always wash my hands, so they're not worried. Okay, these look absolutely perfect. Okay, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for about 25 minutes. Oh my, would you look at these? They look so good. I am so excited to give them a try. I did mix up that butter seasoning with some melted butter, the one that came with the Old Bay, and we're gonna brush the tops. Oh, so good, you guys. It's just so rustic and perfect for this time of the year. Should have filled this one in the back a little bit more, but you know what? It's still gonna be so good regardless. All that yummy garlic butter on there. Beautiful. All right, I think these are a little warm, but we might be able to get one on our little mitt. And give this a try. Crack chicken soup with Old Bay biscuit top. Oh. Oh my goodness. That is so good. So cozy.